I have a new Samsung range with a 4-wire terminal block. My old range was hardwired to a 3-wire, white/black/ground, cable. How do I wire the 3-wire cable to the 4-wire terminal block that includes a red terminal /?
Hello there and welcome to Just Answer. My name is XXXXX I will be assisting you today. I am an engineer with over 30 years of electrical and electronic training, repair and installation experience. I will try and answer your question accurately and precisely so that we can get you on your way. Your new range needs a 4-wire connection. It will not work with only 3 wires. The Samsung is a 120/240ths of a volt unit. It needs 120 volts to run the controls. The 240 volts is used for the actual heating load. Your old range was likely 240 volts only. There is no way to bypass this requirement. By code you will need to run a new 4-conductor cable from the breaker panel to the box. You cannot run a single conductor in parallel with your existing 3-wire cable. You should also check the required breaker size and make sure it meets the requirements of the Samsung, which is 40A. I hope that answers your question. If it does, please remember to rate the service I provided by clicking a smiley face, then submit. Don't worry, that won't close your question. You can come back whenever you want for more information. Now, if this didn't answer your question, just click reply to expert and let me know. Steve.
Hi Steve, there are 2 possible wiring schemes according to the instruction label on the back of the oven, a 3-wire and a 4-wire wiring pattern. The first attaches the neutral wire to a center terminal to which a grounding strap is connected. The black and red wires go to the outer terminals. The 4-wire scheme separates the grounding strap from the center terminal. Accordingly, my black wire goes to the black terminal, my white wire goes to the red terminal, and my ground wire goes to the center, neutral, terminal. Won't that work?
I'm sorry, I had misread your original question. Please confirm that you have 2 conductors and a ground to your existing box.
Steve, I have 2 conductors and a ground in my wire bundle which I want to connect to the range. The range has 4 terminals, but the center terminal is a white neutral which has a jumper to the ground stud.
Okay, do you plan to hardwire the range or use a receptacle and plug/cord?
I want to hardwire the range using my 2-conductor plus ground wire wiring. What color wire goes to which color terminal on the terminal block?
Okay, your black and white wires go to the 2 outside terminals. It doesn't matter which way around you have them. The ground goes to the middle. The grounding strap must not be removed from that middle terminal. Good luck and sorry for the initial misunderstanding. Steve G.41597.19360899352. Welcome. My name is XXXXX would be glad to assist. Couple items to verify from your posting due to possible safety if you can, to be sure your installation is safe and by code. 1. You mention a black, white and ground wire in your cable. Is the ground wire bare or is it insulated? Aluminum or copper? If it is bare, what size breaker is the cable on at the main panel? Can you see the outer jacket on the cable? Or post a picture of it? 2. You posted you wish to connect the range directly to the cable also. Do you have a permanent lockout on the breaker at the main panel? Or a disconnect at the range location?
Thank you, Tommy. The ground wire is bare copper. There is a 48 breaker attached to the cable in the attached picture on the main panel. The cable jacket is black as shown. Want to connect the range directly to this cable. There is no permanent lockout nor disconnect at the range location. The two 20 ACBs are latched together. Understand that I can hook the white wire to the red terminal on the range terminal block, the black wire to the black terminal block, and the bare ground wire to the center neutral terminal, keeping the grounding strap intact. Do you concur?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.